So today we are having Sukuma Wiki, ugali. Another thing that I will add and I show you guys. Come along and I start cooking the ugali first. The Sukuma I fry it last because I don't want it to turn the color. I want it to remain in this color, as you can see, guys. Keep watching. Here we are. Our ugali. That's it. Add some flour. Our ugali is ready. See that? That is yummy. Making sukuma time. That is oil. Now sukuma, you need it. This is sukuma and then a little tomatoes. So I want it to cook a little. Add in some salt. My sukuma. That is how you want nice sukuma, guys. When it is just green, I serve it. Food is ready. Serving time. Here, guys, our dinner is right here. We have ugali, chicken, avocado, and sukuma. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, for liking, subscribing. God bless you. Have a good night. Love.